guys, this is what we're going to talk about today. Okay guys, so why did you join HSSO this year? Like, what can we make our members interested in coming to our meeting? Hey guys, what do you think? Any ideas? What do you think? Okay guys, come on, I know you guys have some ideas here. Kali.
Huh?
Kapua.
Oh no, good job.
Your ideas, Kali.
Oh,
Much appreciated. What do you think? So what can we do for our members? Like, what can we promise them to make them come to HSSO? What do you guys think?